Hello, good morning. This is your daily outlook for Tuesday, the 12th of February. The euro continues its range-bound trend versus the US dollar. Currently at 133.85, the single currency's failed to gain any substantial ground after last Thursday's ECB press conference. Looking ahead, markets are waiting for news leaks coming from the ECOFIN, the group of European finance ministers, which is taking place today. Issues that need to be addressed and could give the euro a push are the South Europe debt levels and the Italian elections. The euro moved higher against the Japanese yen, touching 126.60 before correcting to 126 amid more news about Japan aiming to weaken its currency to improve export competitiveness. The British pound reversed previous gains against the US dollar, falling more than 150 pips. The sterling found support at 156.50, just above its previous support. The US 500, which tracks the largest US-listed corporations, failed to move above 1516 earlier and is currently moving at around 1510. Now let's take a look at what the currencies are doing this morning. The euro-dollar pivot points at 134.25 with a preference to enter in short positions at 134.25. The dollar-yen pivot points at 93.15 with a preference to enter into long positions at 93.15. The Aussie-dollar pivot points at 102.90 with a preference to enter in short positions at 102.90. The sterling-dollar pivot points at 157 with a preference to enter in short positions at 157. And the dollar-CAD pivot points at 100.35 with a preference to enter into long positions at 100.35. Looking at commodities and indices now. The oil pivot point is at 95 with a preference to enter into long positions at 95. The gold pivot point is at 1664 with a preference to enter in short positions at 1664. The silver pivot point at 31.65 with a preference to enter in short positions at 31.65. The US 500 is at 1508 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1508. And the UK 100 is at 6205 with a preference to enter into long positions at 6205. And of course, more up-to-date information, please visit us at easy-forex.com. And watch out for these market movers. In Switzerland, we have the CPI month-on-month forecast to drop by 0.3%. In the UK, we have the CPI year-on-year forecast to rise by 2.7%. And in the US, we have the federal budget balance expected at a deficit of $2.6 billion. And again, we have an interesting commodity, Brent crude, which corrected some of last week's gains but has since moved bullishly up to 118. At the same time, the spread between Brent and WTI crude has widened to $22 as developments to ease the backlog of oil in Cushing, US, have failed to meet expectations. Thank you for tuning into our Daily Outlook. We look forward to seeing you again tomorrow. I'm Emma Andrew from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a good day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.